welcome to 3 News. We're here with a geologist to explain the recent volcanic activity at Green Bay.
Now tell us, what is a volcano?
A volcano is an opening eruption in the planet's surface or crust, which allows hot molten rock, ash, and gases to escape from below the surface. Volcanic activity involving the extrusion of rock tends to form mountains or features like mountains over a period of time. Volcanoes are generally found when tectonic plates have pulled apart or come together. Volcanoes can also form when there is stretching or thinning on the Earth's crust.
But aren't Auckland volcanoes extinct?
Not exactly. Auckland's existing volcanoes are unlikely to become active again. They all follow a pattern of short eruptions, but Auckland's volcanic field itself is young and still active, meaning new volcanoes can appear with little warning.
How do Auckland volcanoes form?
Each of Auckland's volcanoes has an eruptive history of its own. However, a general sequence of events can be put together which is fairly typical of past eruptions from the Auckland volcanic field and what we might expect from other eruptions in the future. Hot magma is forced through the facies to the surface. If magma comes into contact with the surface, water causes violent explosions. If there is no more magma after the first violent eruption, then a broad crater called a maar is formed, with a low rim around the edge. If magma keeps rising, a lava lake may form in the crater. Rising magma leads to lava bursting from one or more vents, building scoria cones. Smaller lava flows may emerge, but are held within the tuff ring. As eruptions continue, scoria cones grow larger and eventually bury the tuff ring. Lava may break through the cone or burst out at low levels.
What are the hazards of the volcanic eruptions?
The most serious hazard is form a new eruption would be the effects of the initial explosion. Then a vertical eruption cloud will form which will hinder vision and cause breathing problems. During the eruption, drinking water supplies will need to be protected from contamination and there will be likely to be problems with power and communications. Secondary hazards may include shock waves, poisonous gases near vent or collecting in lower areas and small tsunamis caused by underwater eruptions.
What is happening to prevent injuries during this time?
As far as we know, we have sensors monitoring the volcanoes and the civil defense units are evacuating the surrounding areas.
Thank you for that information. If you are in the area of Green Bay, please listen to the advice given.